Hello and welcome to this week's edition of the Monday Morning Tech Tip. For this week's technology tip, what I'd like to do is share with you a website called Wolfram Alpha. Now, Wolfram Alpha is a computational knowledge engine. It's different from, say, a search engine like Google, where you type in your keywords and it'll search the internet for matching words and then pull up all those results for you. With Wolfram Alpha, what it actually tries to do is it tries to calculate your answer and find exactly what you're looking for. And it does this by consulting a very large network of databases. To get started, just go to wolframalpha.com. Now, once you're at the website, it's going to look very similar to a normal search engine. You can enter what you want to calculate or know about. Now, there's a wide variety of different topics you could search and look for. I'm just going to get started and say, let's say 16th President of United States. And now search the database and it's pulled up all the results that it found on the 16th President of the United States. So as we go down, we find out that it's Abraham Lincoln. And then as we scroll down, we can see that it has a whole lot of different information that it has calculated and pulled back for us. It even has a timeline and some images. I could also go in and type in a location, Middletown, PA. And it will pull back the information about the population of Middletown. And it'll also give us some demographics and some other important information. So a lot of good information there about Middletown that it just pulled up. I could also go in and I could do a comparative search. I'm going to type for chemistry, we're going to compare gold and we're going to compare silver. And here are the results that it pulled up for gold and silver. It'll pull up the location, put them on a periodic table. It'll show some images, and then it will go in to talk about some of the specific properties. And let's type in a musical reference here, C major scale. And it will show me, I could actually click over here where it says play sound and it will play all the notes in that scale for me. So as you can see, this pulls back a lot of very helpful information, unlike when you're doing a search engine with Google, where it's going to pull back a lot of different results and you got to kind of go through all of them to find what you're looking for. We'll also do math calculations for you. I'll just pull one of these to save some time. So here it is showing 6x squared plus 6x minus 12. It will show what that looks like with plots. Talk about geometric figures. Also gives some alternate formats. So this is a great way for students to check their homework if they have math homework assignment. So a lot of information there. Now the real magic of Wolfram Alpha is to go through and take a look at a whole bunch of examples. When I go back here to the main search page, this default background, which you can customize your setting, if I mouse over this, it has a whole bunch of interactive images, and I could click on them. So here's Statue of Liberty, and it will give me an automatic search topic. So I could pull up information about the Statue of Liberty. So again, lots of helpful information just appearing by doing that search. If you click on where it says examples up here, it'll go through and give you a whole bunch of different examples so that you can check it out and look to see what you can do with this. Another great thing about Wolfram Alpha is they do have an app for pretty much every type of mobile device. You can go take a look. Now there's a little bit of a cost to it, I believe, for the mobile app, but you could always use the web-based version for free. If you have any questions on how you can use Wolfram Alpha in your class, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to help you out. Have a great week.